Mastering ISF Filing, Aviation and Aerospace Compliance. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing ISF filing for aviation and aerospace equipment, products, and materials. The aviation and aerospace industry involves the importation of specialized equipment and materials, and it's crucial for importers to understand the unique compliance requirements when filing the Importer Security Filing, ISF. So, let's dive in. Importance of ISF for aviation and aerospace imports. The ISF is a mandatory requirement for all ocean shipments entering the United States, including those related to the aviation and aerospace industry. Filing the ISF allows U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, to assess the security risk associated with these specialized imports. Accurate product classification. Proper product classification is essential when filing the ISF for aviation and aerospace equipment and materials. Different categories may have specific duty rates, eligibility for trade programs or exemptions, and regulatory requirements. Consultation with customs experts is crucial to ensure accurate classification. Identification of country of origin. When filing the ISF, importers must provide accurate information about the country of origin for aviation and aerospace imports. This information is necessary for determining duty rates, trade preferences, and compliance with country-specific regulations. Complying with import restrictions and licensing. Aviation and aerospace imports may be subject to import restrictions or require specific licenses or permits. Importers must ensure compliance with these requirements and include the necessary information in their ISF filings. Compliance with aviation safety regulations. The aviation and aerospace industry is subject to stringent safety regulations. Importers must ensure compliance with these regulations when filing the ISF. This includes adhering to safety standards, certification requirements, and any specific documentation or labeling obligations. Supplier verification and compliance. It's crucial for importers to verify the compliance of their suppliers when filing the ISF. Ensuring that suppliers adhere to aviation and aerospace regulations, including safety standards, certification requirements, and quality control processes, helps maintain compliance throughout the import process. Adequate lead time for ISF filing. Importers of aviation and aerospace equipment and materials should allocate sufficient lead time for the ISF filing. These specialized imports may require additional documentation and information, such as technical specifications and certifications, which may take time to gather. Collaboration with customs brokers and industry experts. Working closely with experienced customs brokers and industry experts is highly recommended when filing the ISF for aviation and aerospace imports. Customs brokers with knowledge and expertise in this sector can navigate the complex compliance requirements, ensuring accurate and timely ISF filings. Advanced technology for data management. Utilizing advanced technology solutions, such as trade compliance software, can streamline the ISF filing process for aviation and aerospace imports. These tools can help manage and cross-check data, automate record keeping, and ensure accuracy and compliance with ISF requirements. Compliance with specialized trade programs. Aviation and aerospace imports may qualify for specialized trade programs, such as duty-free or reduced duty rates under free trade agreements or preferential treatment programs. Importers should consult with customs experts to ensure compliance with program requirements and include any necessary information in the ISF. Monitoring regulatory changes. The aviation and aerospace industry is subject to evolving regulatory requirements. Importers must stay informed about any changes in safety regulations, certification requirements, or labeling obligations that may impact their ISF filings. Regularly reviewing updates from regulatory authorities is essential. Proper handling of sensitive technology. Some aviation and aerospace imports may involve sensitive technology that falls under export control regulations. Importers must comply with these regulations when filing the ISF. This includes obtaining any necessary licenses or certifications and ensuring they are included in the ISF. Compliance record keeping. Maintaining comprehensive records and documentation is crucial for aviation and aerospace imports. Importers should retain all ISF-related documentation, including filing confirmations, amendments, and any supporting documentation required by regulatory authorities. Collaborating with industry associations and trade organizations. Importers can benefit from collaborating with industry associations and trade organizations specific to the aviation and aerospace sector. These organizations provide valuable resources, up-to-date information, and networking opportunities that can enhance compliance efforts. Liaising with partner government agencies, PGAs. Certain aviation and aerospace imports may require interaction with partner government agencies, PGAs, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, or the Department of Defense, DoD. Importers must communicate and comply with these agencies' requirements, which may involve additional documentation or information in the ISF. Adhering to export control regulations. Importers involved in the aviation and aerospace industry should be aware of export control regulations. Compliance with these regulations is crucial to prevent unauthorized exports of sensitive technologies or materials. Coordination between import and export compliance teams is recommended. Compliance audits and self-audits. Importers should conduct regular self-audits to ensure ongoing compliance with ISF requirements for aviation and aerospace imports. These self-audits assess the accuracy and completeness of ISF filings, identify any compliance gaps, and implement corrective actions to mitigate risks. Collaborative approach to CBP audits. CBP may conduct audits to assess ISF compliance for aviation and aerospace imports. Importers should maintain open and transparent communication with CBP throughout the audit process, promptly providing requested information and addressing any findings or concerns. Continuous improvement in industry best practices. Importers should strive for continuous improvement in their ISF filing processes. This involves staying updated with industry best practices, participating in relevant training programs or workshops, and implementing lessons learned from audits or compliance reviews. ISF filing for aviation and aerospace equipment and materials requires careful attention to compliance requirements and specific industry regulations. Importers must ensure accurate product classification, compliance with safety and import regulations, collaborate with customs brokers and industry experts, and stay informed about regulatory changes. By following these considerations, importers can navigate the ISF filing process successfully and maintain compliance with CBP regulations. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos on customs brokerage and international trade. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video.